In this video we're going to cover VAST VPAID video and how you set that up in the UpRival system. This is just our dashboard page. We do have videos that will show you how to create publishers, placements, and all those things. So we're going to skip all of that, and I'm just going to click into a publisher and then a placement. One thing I will cover, the type of placement you want to create is a VAST tag placement. So real quickly, when you're creating the placement and you're choosing the placement type, make sure you're switching that to the VAST tag placement type. Once you've created that placement, you're going to go into your placement, and just like with our other ads, you're going to have ad groups. So this one, a VAST group, and then your actual VAST tag. So let's get in and create a video VAST tag. Now there are three different media types that you have in here. You have the linear, which is going to be your in-video ad. That's going to stop the video they're watching, play your ad, and then continue. You have the non-linear. A good example of that is just basically on YouTube, those ads that pop up on top of the video you're watching. And then the third-party VAST URL. This is where you would enter your third-party URL for the VAST tag. And the destination URL. So for this one, it's pretty simple. You're just giving it a name, entering your URL, the destination URL, and then if you need to change the weight metric or cost rate, you would do that before you create the ad. But let's go over the linear first, and then we'll go over the non-linear. You're going to go ahead and give your ad a name. We'll just call this one ad 1. You're going to go ahead and next upload your video. And so we're just going to upload a simple video here. Now, while it's uploading this video, I will mention that the video file size has to be below 50 megabytes and in one of those following video types. So file upload is successfully. Once the file is uploaded, then you can turn on the transcode media file. And as you see here, the note needs to be 720p or better. Once you've uploaded the video, it's going to give video dimensions and the meme type and enter the video bitrate as well. If you need to make adjustments to these, you can do that. If you want the video to be scalable, you can turn that on. Maintain the aspect ratio, you can turn that on as well. So any changes you can make to that if you need to. You're going to enter your destination URL. We'll just put in uprival.com for this one. Enter the video duration. You're going to go ahead and enter that there as well. And then you saw I clicked on the advanced, and what you can also add on to that is if you want it to be skippable, you see that a lot on YouTube as an example, obviously, where the ad will play for 5 or 10 seconds and then you can skip it. So you can do that in seconds or percentage of video. And then the other cool thing we have on here is the companion ads, and you're going to enter your companion ad image URL, upload the image here, and give it the ad size. Is it scalable? And then you're going to enter your destination URL here. You can have up to 5 companion ads that you're placing in there. And then at the bottom here, distribution weight, cost metric, and cost rate. And these three, again, most people manage some of these things on the ad group level. The distribution weight, you can make that adjustment here. Once you create the ad, there's a column that you can make that there as well, and I'll show you that once we save the ad. So let's go ahead and just save this one since we created the ad. And then you'll see that in the system. And this is what I was talking about with the weight. You can manually change the weight. Weights are done in ratios, and so if you have multiple things, if you have one that's doing better than the other, you can weight that specific VAST video higher or lower. You can turn it on or off here. And then the other thing we'll cover real quick, the nonlinear banner ads. Very simple. You're going to give it a name, image banner, iframe, HTML. You're going to put your code in here. And for all of these, as you see, you'll have the nonlinear ad size and the expanded ad size, and then you're entering a destination URL. We have the show advanced features here as well, where you can add your companion ads also for your nonlinear banner ads. And then you're going to save that in the system. You know, one thing with, let me show you here that I just remembered I'm forgetting forgot to show you is for these meme type for the JavaScript. One thing that's cool is we have the add parameters, add parameter XML encoding that you can add in if you are doing a JavaScript. We've seen with a few of our clients that this is something that was big that they wanted, and we've recently added that into the system as well. So just so you're aware of that if that's the meme type for you. And that's it. And then once it's you have everything created, you're just going to be grabbing your vast URL right here. You can enable the URL sub ID and adds those. You'll see it adds these in here so that you can pass through and track data here. The other thing that you can choose between is the vast version. So 4.0, 3.0, and 2.0. And then you can go ahead and click on the copy button, or you can highlight and copy paste. If you have any questions about setting up your VAS, go ahead and contact your UpRival rep and they can give you some more details. Thanks.